So now let's talk about quiz assignments versus questions. Something you'll notice right away when you're looking at the icons for these two is that the quiz assignment looks a lot more, the icon for it looks a lot more like a traditional assignment inside of Google Classroom, while the question looks like a question mark inside of like a thought or speech bubble. So a quiz assignment is a type of assignment that you'll see in Google Classroom. It will take the student to a Google form. Now, the Google form gives us more options for different types of questions. That could include multiple choice. It could include short or long form answer. It could include check boxes. We have a lot more options in Google Forms for question types. Part of that leads into the next part where these will usually be used to assess students. So instead of a paper quiz or a paper test, we may use one of these quiz assignments and use that Google form. Keeps everything nice and tidy. It's easy for grading. Very quick response on test scores. We can allow students to see the results if it's something quick like multiple choice. Other times we may need time to review it. But typically this will be a quiz or an assessment, some other sort of test for students. Now, the other option, again, is the question. The question will typically pop up under an assignment or in a Google Stream. And this is usually just one question where students will be asked a multiple choice question or a short answer. With questions, we're only allowed really to answer or ask one question for that. So when we go to compare the two, a quiz assignment versus a question, you can see why we would go with like a quiz assignment for a test or something else that we need a little more depth on. While another question, while the question option, the one with the question mark in it, it's more limited. That's why we'd use it more for like a poll or like a quick check with students, maybe to see how they're doing or if they need help on something. All right. So again, quiz assignment versus a question.